Hello everyone, let's start the demo of copy.me. To get started, both the sender and the receiver need to open the copy.me website. There are 3 different rooms that users can join. Jungle is the open world, where anyone on copy.me across the globe can send files to each other. Local Den allows access to people connected to the same local Wi-Fi network. You can also create a private room. Let's try the private room. You can either create a new room or join an existing one. We'll generate a random code and join the room. Now we'll join the same room on the other device. As you can see, both users are visible on each other's screens. On one side is the sender, and on the other is receiver. You can select the user you want to send a file to, then choose the file you want to transfer. For this demo, we'll select a file and send it. The receiver immediately gets a notification and can choose to accept or reject the file. Once the receiver accepts, the file transfer begins. The transfer speed is completely dependent on your internet speeds and does not involve any server. We transfer the files directly from your computer to the receiver's computer. You can see the transfer speed, estimated time, file size, and overall progress during the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, you can click Download and save the file to a location of your choice, and it downloads instantly. You can also view logs on both ends. Every step of the process is logged to ensure transparency. Thank you for checking out copy.me, a peer-to-peer file transfer solution that is easy to use, secure, and transparent.